Hello guys, welcome out to our video. I'm joined today by Paul.
Hi.
Who's going to be helping me in showing you how to sort out some of the issues you may have with your new 2018 Goldwing. If you want to install any accessories, you are going to require a distribution block or a fuse box to install the accessories. We will show you what we have available, and also we will show you how to install them. So at the end of the day, you will know what's involved with the installation and which was more suited to your needs. Now we have three available. So you have the Show Chrome, you have Pathfinder, and you also have the Goldstrike Distribution Block. Now, if you're only installing one accessory, as in Show Chrome or a Pathfinder, these two would suit you very well. The advantage about the Goldstrike one is more versatile. You are able to buy connections for them afterwards that will connect up to Show Chrome products and also Pathfinder ones, and you can also get a universal connector as well. Unfortunately, those connectors don't come in the box. You have to buy them separately. That's the only downside I have of the distribution block. But let's take a look at what we have in each box anyway, and as I said, you can decide yourself what's more suitable to you. This is the Show Chrome. So you have your accessory harnesses, connectors, and the block itself. That's the Show Chrome, what comes in them. Then you have the Pathfinder. One thing about the Pathfinder, it does have heavier cables on it, which if you're installing a lot of accessories could be useful. But you have your two accessory harnesses and you have your block. And again, we'll go into more detail later when we're doing the installation. Then last but not least is this one, the latest ones, is the Goldstrike Lighting Block. In this then, you also have your two accessory harnesses, and you have the distribution block itself. You have 24 outlets, 12 left and 12 right, and as I said, you can buy accessory harnesses that will go onto Curiakin, Show Chrome, and a universal one that will plug into these, so you could have multiple accessories on your bike and all plug into this one harness. That's one advantage of the Goldstrike one.
Why is this needed?
Well, this is needed because of the CAN bus system in the bike's electrics. If you don't use an accessory block, it will interfere with the wiring in the bike, and it could actually cause a problem in the ECUs in the bike.
Can you show me how to install this part?
Yes, I can. Okay, let's go. Right, here we are in the workshop now, and the first item we'll install will be the Show Chrome one. Now, the Show Chrome one personally is my least favourite. There's more work involved in installing it than the other two, and it's very fidgety, so to speak. There's a bit of slicing and dicing need to be done. So with this one, what you have is, these are your wiring for your indicator, brake lights and all that kind of jazz, and these are for your battery. Now, first thing we need to do is tap into the harnesses. So this is the easy part of the installation, to be honest with you. The rest of it gets very messy from here on in. Okay, now what you have coming out of the harnesses then are these wires. And here's where, now we're not going to actually do the connections on this one because we're installing all the three modules. So what you've got to do is connect up the various wires with the various colors and do your slicing, dicing that way. With these wires, you must put them around. The yellow one, to be honest with you, I'm not too sure the reason why, but they want that to go down to the back of the bike. That must go down back there. The red and green we put down in through here. Once again, them all fiddled out. The green goes onto the negative and the red goes onto the positive. And as I said, with these wires, they plug into the two sub harnesses that we've installed. Again, that's where the slicing dicing comes in, which is the part of this fuse box I don't like. Right, so that's how this one's installed. And now we'll go on to the next one. Right, the next one we're going to install now would be the Pathfinder. I like this one, it's much easier to install. So you have your sub harnesses, your modules. Okay. Now into the harnesses we plug these into. With these then we route through here. One goes onto your ignition source. So you have your negative terminal, your positive terminal, and that one, the green one, then goes into your positive source. And then you have your accessory wires. So with these, it's kind of slice and dice again with the installing of any accessories after this. So now we'll go and have a look at the Goldstrike one, which is probably the best of the three of them as regards installation and use. Now we have the Goldstrike, it's the Lighting Distribution Block, which is probably the best of them all. It's the simplest to install, and for use afterwards, no slicing, dicing required. And it gives you the option to install multiple accessories from different suppliers. So again, we have our two accessory blocks. Can sit nice and neatly in there as well, which again is one of the nice things about it. Fits in, and when all you do then is connect up two wires, put them through here onto the positive and the negative of the battery. And with these ones then they're plug and play, so you've got 24. Show you. The Goldstrike accessories will all plug into this as it is, and as I said previously, you can buy extra blocks that would do Kiriakin accessories, show chrome accessories, and you get a universal one. So with this one, it will do all your accessories, and you have a universal one without any slicing dicing like you had in the other ones. So this one would be my recommended one. Okay, we've just now shown you how to install the various fuse boxes options that are open to you. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Goodbye from Paul.
Goodbye from Paul.